to the Nuayaca waterfalls in Dominical. And first we have to hike 4 kilometers and then we can swim and see the waterfalls.
The hike is exhausting because it's uphill and in the sun.
It's a beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life with you. Anywhere you wanna go, I follow.
Dominical beach, it's a beautiful beach.
Drown me in love wherever you go. Mountain, island, river, low, I follow. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life with you.
Just went surfing at the Uvita beach.
The whale tail of the Uvita beach, and it was a 2.5-hour lesson and we were awesome at it. The boys
My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream. Against the wave, wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting. My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting away, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the